just received my box today. Let's see what all we got. All right, let's see. I got the blue. Get rid of that box. It is so pretty. I got the one with the handle. I needed it because I'm going to use it for my craft. Let's see. All right, let's open up the top. Oh, it comes with a little mat. That's awesome. I like that. Oh, and the drawers come with mats too. That's great. So nothing's going to be sliding around. I'm so excited. I'm going to put all my stuff in it today. There you go.